Hello everyone, this is BT. And last time you watched how to sum, but today you're going to watch how to SUMIF. Okay, so this is my third tutorial on SUMIF. So here I got some card types and the numbers of how many cars got produced in these companies. We want to find how many cars only Honda produced, none of the others. So I made this box brown so you guys can see this is the box that will give everything. So first write equal and write sum if. Normally we write the equal sign. Then keep these. First get the range. The range will be all of the cars. Then add the comma and get the criteria. The criteria will be what car we want to find. Then get the sum range. The sum range will be all of these cars. Now, how many cars were produced? Now let's click enter. 1867. So, Toyota won, even Honda produced a lot of cars. Okay, thank you for watching how to do SUMIF. This is BT, zoom in right out, and remember to see my whole course of Excel tutorials. Bye.